Hey, it's Bey, and before we move forward, yup, I am typing the script for this video with the Apple Magic Keyboard. You already know what's happening from the title of this video, so let's get right into it. It took a little longer than usual to receive my Magic Keyboard. I'm not sure why, but it's probably because they're in high demand. I ordered my Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard at the same time, but the Apple Pencil came in 3 days while the Magic Keyboard arrived in about a month. I couldn't wait that long, so I decided to purchase the Smart Keyboard Folio to use in the meantime. It's here now, so we can finally talk about it. The Magic Keyboard connects to the iPad through the smart connectors, and there is a USB-C port that you can use to charge the iPad, which makes a world of difference. You can charge the iPad and connect an SSD or dongle, which is amazing if you're doing things like video editing. When I first picked up the package, I noticed how much heavier it was compared to the Smart Keyboard Folio box. Altogether, the Magic Keyboard and the iPad weighs about 3 pounds, but I really think that the extra weight is worth it for the features that you get. The opening mechanism took a little bit for me to get used to because there was a hinge that snaps into place and then another pivot point to tilt the iPad. To me, the whole thing feels a little top heavy, and it does tend to tip over a lot when I'm using it on my bed or on my lap. It does get annoying at times, but I love having the flexibility of having more angles to tilt the iPad. The keyboard feels amazing. One of the best keyboards that I've ever typed on any device, period. Besides something like a mechanical keyboard. Of course, the travel isn't going to compare to a mechanical keyboard, but you do get a good amount of travel on the keys considering how thin it is. There is also backlighting for typing in low light situations, but that also means that the battery is going to drain quicker with this case on your iPad. The keyboard shows grease very easily, so I suggest cleaning it often, which you should be doing anyways. The biggest thing that the Magic Keyboard has that all the other keyboard cases don't have is a trackpad. This is a complete game changer, even if you do have a mouse. It's just so convenient because it's right there and you have all the multitasking gestures that you can do with the iPad screen. It just makes everything a lot more seamless and efficient. Of course, the Magic Keyboard is a little bit thicker, heavier, and more expensive compared to the Smart Keyboard Folio, but is it worth it? In short, the answer for me is yes. I love the typing experience, keyboard backlighting, the extra USB-C, and the trackpad. I'm going to be making a dedicated comparison video between these two keyboards, so stay tuned for that. The thing that bothers me the most, which isn't even the Magic Keyboard's fault, is this little wobble that's created from the Switch Easy cover buddy case that I have on my iPad. It's definitely worth it though because I do get the extra protection when I'm not using the Magic Keyboard, so I keep it on anyways. To solve the problem, I could just take the case off, which isn't a big deal. They are releasing a version that's going to be compatible with the Magic Keyboard, so I'm excited for that. I really hope you enjoyed my unboxing and first impressions on the Apple Magic Keyboard. As always, I'll leave links in the description if you're interested. You know what's up. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.